Watch how me a go ride out with them up for the girls them now. You don't know it's shocking more with the girls them coming. Watch this. Them must say, them want the banana. Them must say, that one out for Tifa and Spice. What them a say? Them a call me, Miss I do it nice. Love how me deal with the something right. And them know say me a no dirty type. That's why them a watch me like a satellite. If I come check me last night, me make you come once and forward twice. Now the middle of the night when me forward Spice, she a roll out her eyes them like a bone dice. And I say, give me the banana. She want the banana. She a cry for banana. She a holla for banana. What she say? The banana. She want the banana. She a holla for banana. She a cry for banana. She want the sin thing. Fat no slim thing. Long with the ring thing. And I'm a sling thing. Me love how she a move and a wiggle up on the thing. Up in her heights and a jiggle up on the thing. She went now like green and she's up on the thing. You know what me a say, and a wiggle up on the thing. She climb up and max we up there. She say she nah move, she a stay up there. She a spend all night and the up there. We up there. The banana, she want the banana. She a cry for banana. She a holla for banana. What she say? She want the banana. She holla for banana. She a cry for banana. She a holla for banana. Them said them feel so good when me enter through their door. Me put the banana in a them blender. The juice a pour. They want me to mix and turn it. And when me twist and I turn it, them get hot like fire furnace. And I tell me, say me a the firmest. The banana, she want the banana. She a cry for banana. She a holla for banana. What she say? She want the banana. She holla for banana. She a cry for banana. She a holla for banana.